The ultimate status symbol, Rolls-Royce, is a car that earned this title in the early 1900s, and a century later it still turns heads and subtly announces that Sir or Madam has arrived. With a rich history, we couldn't hold off our temptation to entertain our viewers with some incredible facts about this evergreen beauty because it truly deserves some limelight. The first Rolls-Royce model ran a ridiculous 14,371 miles almost non-stop back in 1907. Rolls-Royce center cap do not rotate. The iconic spirit of ecstasy on the hood cannot be flicked. They will even color match your pets. Rolls trusts only one person to paint its cars. Employees wear special deodorant to stop damage. They still make some of the world's best jet engines. Rolls invented the adjustable shock absorber while on his deathbed. There are more Rolls-Royce in Hong Kong than anywhere else in the world. Rolls-Royce only uses bull skin for its upholstery. An outraged Indian king used his Rolls-Royce car as garbage collector. 65% of the Rolls-Royce cars ever built are still on the road. The hood ornament is called the Spirit of Ecstasy and was commissioned in 1911. It takes around 75 square meters for the upholstery of each Phantom, as the job takes up to 17 days. Last but not least, as an option, you can have the unique Starlight headliner installed in the car's roof, which uses 1,340 individually woven fiber optic and 2 km of cabling to recreate the pattern of a starry sky.